Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2013 Ford Fusion, and on this Ford Fusion we have our check engine light that happens to be on, and we're going to go over checking the check engine light and seeing what the issue is. So, OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD2 port. Hit enter, we hit diagnostic. It's going to go through and communicate with the ECU. And it says that our check engine light is on, which we know that by the visual code on the dash and the instrument cluster. Then this says that the camshaft position sensor is malfunctioning. So we're going to go find that camshaft position sensor and go over how you replace that sensor. And one of the symptoms you have when this is going bad, or it has gone bad, is that you'll have a decent delay in starting. You'll notice a lot of times when it'll crank a lot longer than it previously did to be able to start up. So the camshaft position sensor is right here. We've got this cable that's in the way, and this goes to the ignition coil. So we're just going to pop that cable and push it to the side. And size number 8 bolt to be loosened. And removed. With that removed, then we can you can undo this clamp by pressing and pulling, and then you can just kind of rock it back and forth to be able to pull that sensor out. Remove the sensor, and then you get your new sensor, and make sure you got the O-ring on here. You may want to make sure it's got a little bit of lubricant on it so that it doesn't bind up when you put it in, and then just press it down in there, and then you got your size 8 bolt here to put back in and tighten up. And hook the electrical connectors back up, press till snapping, and then same with this one. All that is hooked up, and now we'll go and delete the code and make sure that that was all that there was a problem. Okay, so with our OBD2 scanner still hooked up, we're gonna go ahead and go back. Gonna go here to erase codes because we know we fixed it. We put a new one in. Yes. And press any key and go back. Just get out of it. Oh. Anyway, now we'll just go ahead and start the car a couple times, make sure that everything's good. Our check engine code is still off, and even the code reader says that the code is still off. So, welcome to YOUCANIC, or thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.